Hey everyone, Alex from Ford Mustang Garage here. Just gonna do a little video here, working on our '66 Mustang convertible. Got some leaky axle seals and wheel cylinders. So one of the most common repairs that I get is axle seals and wheel cylinders. So we're gonna show you how we pull the axles out. So this is a '66. It's got the 8-inch rear differential, and so we're going to show you what we do to pull these out. So first and foremost, there are going to be 4 studs with nuts on the axle flange. Okay, they are right here, and your axle hub here has this convenient little access hole, so you can turn the axle and get a socket through on each and every one of those. So makes it pretty nice and convenient. So don't lose these nuts. They're very specific nuts for your axle flange, so they're not like regular nuts. Okay, sometimes you can get lucky and this axle will kind of pull right out with a little bit of effort, but most of the time you're going to have to put a slide hammer on it, and you can actually rent these tools from AutoZone, and you can just slide the attachment on here and secure it with 3 lug nuts. Okay, just to kind of show you what it looks like here. Slide hammer. Makes pulling these axles very nice. This is a tool by OEM Tools, and again, these are rentable from AutoZone. You can get the slide hammer set up and the attachment as well. And then, okay, so once you have all this attached on here, fairly simple. You can see the axle is just going to come right out. Just like that. Okay. And if you notice, you don't have to take all your brakes off in order to pull your axles. Okay. This will come right out. Just like that. Okay, from here we can change our seals, which we have an axle seal right there, and I will show you how I remove that. Okay, so next thing is to pull out our axle seal. So I have a tool here. You can actually buy these from Harbor Freight. They call them rear axle bearing puller set, but essentially they look like this, and they can pull your seals out. So just to kind of demonstrate on a new seal, this is going to slide in. You got to get the right size. It'll slide in and hook from the back side like that, and then you would tighten this plate up and this nut, and then this will attach to your slide hammer, and that will just pull right out just like that. So inside the axle here, I'm just tightening this nut by hand. It doesn't have to be super giant, just so it's nice and snug in there. So you can see how that looks. Now we're going to attach our slide hammer again. This does not take much effort at all. And there's our axle seal. Just like that.